Okay, so we're going to look at 4 different types of angles today. We've got acute, obtuse, right, and straight. Our acute angles are between 0 and 90 degrees. So they have to be larger than 0 degrees, but they have to be less than 90 degrees. Acute angles, I always think of like hamsters and little tiny things as being really cute, miniature. And so acute angles are little tiny angles that are very cute. We can turn them around however we want to. An obtuse angle is going to be an angle that is large. So it is between 90 degrees and 180 degrees. Has to be smaller than 180. Has to be larger than 90. So they usually look something like this. And again, we can turn those however we want to. But that's what our obtuse angles would look like. A right angle, you probably know, a right angle is exactly 90 degrees. So a right angle goes like this. And we usually put a little box here in the corner to denote that it is a right angle. Our right angles can be turned around. They can come in any direction, just as long as we make sure it's a 90-degree angle. And the last one is a straight angle, and a straight angle is 180 degrees exactly. 180 degrees exactly. And 180 degrees is a line. So there is a difference between a straight angle and there is no difference between a straight angle and a line. People who say a straight line are being redundant. So our straight angles can go in any direction, but the biggest thing is that our measure of the angle is 180 degrees.